I should just do all the sounds in this game. You know what? I'm gonna do that from now on.
Fuck Nintendo. Just mute the shit.
Just mute it. Wow.
Here, for the next level, we both mute our audio and we both do the sounds. Since I figured I showed you how to do it where you don't need it in Discord.
Okay, let's do it then. Hang on. Let's go to the next level.
Okay, I should muted.
This will be our application to Nintendo for them to hire us.
We're voice actors, bro. Believe us. Trust me.
All right.
Woo! Ding.
My crown! Come here, you Koopa. Fuck you, Koopa. Hang on, I need the leaf. Bling, 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 bling. Come here, bomb. Come here, bomb.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Oh, boom, oh shit! What the fuck? Why are you bringing that to me?
Oh shit!
Boom!
Oh! Dun 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 dun. Boom! That's my death sound.
Boom!
My crown! Blech. Nice.
Okay. Oh fuck! Wait, where do I go? Oh shit! Are those rockets? Oh shit!
Jump.
Okay. Oh,
why'd you make the death sound? We're still alive.
Oh, I died.
Yeah, take that. This is my running sound.
Oh, okay, man. We got this shit.
Okay. Ready? Yeah, take that. Okay, Kyo, you do the sound effects. I'm gonna concentrate.
Okay.
Take that. Oh, God! You sound like a dog that's growling. Someone could remix this into a song. Luigi #1. Oh fuck.
Oh no! Save me, Ren!
Oh, you're back! Okay, ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
We saved a lira!
Let's go! Oh my god! Thank you so much for giving me my viewers.
That was better than I was expecting it to be.
How did we do? Nintendo, how did we do? Did we do good, Nintendo? I feel like, personally, I'm now a professional VA. Thank you so much. This is my application. If any studios want to hire me for some Foley work, I'm fully down to do some Foley work, any day of the week. Just hit my inbox.
You did that much better than I was expecting, actually. Holy shit.
It was a lot easier when I wasn't actually playing it, and I thought I didn't have to worry about dying. I'm not gonna lie. Like, before when I was playing it was a bit hard.
Okay. That was good. Nintendo, yeah. Hit us up.
Yeah. I'm
We're
putting the audio
always
back
keen,
on.
always keen. All right. I'm gonna do
Check
this
out, I have good
last.
content ideas to make up for my lack of gaming, you know? While Ren did the gaming stuff, I was doing the sound effects. That's totally not why I came up with the